Hello, my name is Martin John. I'm a teacher. I came here in 2004 and I taught in different schools here in Cairo, in Massachusetts, Barbados, and in Madi, African Development Center, and Mozzarella. I taught different levels, and we came here with the hope of going to the West and find better life and find also better education and better opportunities. But many things came in, all that hope shattered. And all of us were here now. We cannot go back to our countries and we cannot go ahead to the West. And now we find ourselves in a place where our kids cannot find any good education anymore. So they're forming themselves in groups and they're killing each other and they're cutting each other. They cannot do anything. They cannot walk and they cannot even find good school because the schools is very expensive. So they cannot find anything to help them find good and better education. And now I think the solution for this problem is like giving them a quality Christian education. I think that's the only hope for them to bring them together and also to help them find their ways and giving them hope to be able to live and survive here in Egypt because since they cannot go back and also the truth that they cannot go ahead, it's better to help them find their life here and live their life here in Egypt. So I think that's a good solution.